Hello.
3, 2, 1. Hello.
Hello. I didn't practice this.
Hello. I'm Abe Chapman. I'm the director.
I'm Cynthia Chapman. I'm the screenwriter.
And this is our GoFundMe for Mr. Roy's Bicycle Repair Shop.
Mr. Roy's Bicycle Repair Shop is a family-based short film about the sore points in the lives of both the children and the adults that love them, with a healthy dose of comedy. And Mr. Roy's opens his bicycle repair shop. He realizes that he has more to repair than just Lulu's suspiciously flat tire, which is exactly what Lulu wants.
Absolutely. We decided to make this project now because after a year of being shut in our houses, unable to create with different human beings, we decided that now's the time and there's no more waiting. This is a story that contains a lot of multitudes, with themes dealing both family, decided, and blood, and also what it means to be a woman in the workplace, especially a corporate workplace. And that feminist power that's presented in the movie is also presented in our team. Currently, all the crew members and production team working on this movie are all girls, which is good for us. I'm also the creator and artistic director of the Dion Collective, which is a creative company dedicated to possibility.
The story is relevant because families break apart every day for very different reasons, and family members, everybody wants to feel whole, they want to feel normal, but there are obstacles.
All funds graciously contributed will go directly to our film, mainly the cost of production, and very importantly, paying everyone who works on this, because it is so past the time when it's cool to not pay artists. It's not cool. It's unfair, and artists deserve to be paid for the work no matter what side of the table you're on.
This screenplay was named a top 25 short semi-finalist in the 2020 Table Read My Screenplay genre competition. Now it's ready for filming. Our intention is to submit this film to film competitions, major film competitions across the US and internationally.
You could please help us fundraise to find a Lulu so we don't have to sell lemonade on our own, because honestly it's really awkward. It's two adults.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Lemonade! Come get your lemonade! Buy lemonade for our film!